Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Kenn Rose, and this is a reminder of the beginner class we taught on the 22nd of February 2022. We did an arm jive, a man spin, a half windmill, and a push spin. If you need more details, look at the description below where there is links to all the separate videos that teach those moves. But if you just need to see them all together, it looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2. Hope you find that helpful. We'll be back next time with another modern jive clip. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell. That way you'll know every time a new video comes out. Thank you to everyone who does that, because it does help promote the channel as well. Music recommendation on the end of something nice to practice to. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.